Finally, our office space in Accra is ready, and this is the setup. I am seated right in the office in Accra, leading Forex Academy. I told you that we were going to arrange and get a space to teach Forex one-on-one, face-to-face. The first batch have finally finished their course, and I can't wait for them to give you their testimonies. Yes, they have testimonies they want to share with you, what they've learned so far, the results they've gotten so far. It is this project that has taken me off the internet for a while. But now that I'm fully settled and ready for you, you'll be seeing me often. But the good news is that I want you to also take part in the mentorship. The physical mentorship is available for everyone. Now, let me give you the details. We have this whole mentorship taking place in Accra, East Legon, and it is every Saturday. Every Saturday. So every Saturday, we have 3 different sessions. We have the morning session, which starts at 9 a.m. Ghana time. We also have the afternoon session, which takes off at 2 p.m. Ghana time. And then the evening session, which happens to be the online session, it takes place or it starts at 4 p.m. Ghana time. Now, the morning and afternoon session are for physical students, those who want to come physical, one-on-one, for us to learn. The morning session or afternoon session is for you. Now, the evening session, which starts at 4 p.m., is for those of you who will want to learn via the internet. So we shall have Zoom meetings for you, and then we learn. If you are within Accra but may not be able to come for the physical class, or you are in any other parts of the world but may not be present in Accra, you will have to register for the online session. So at 4 p.m., the online session will cover those of you who are not going to be physically present for the physical training. So this is the schedule. This is what we do on every Saturday. Now, I want to invite you to sign up, to register, so that you can also begin to give your testimonies as I am about to play or let you hear other testimonies from the first batch of students. Are you ready? Now let's go listen to what the first batch has to say.
Well, I'm sure you guys have taken some trade last week, right?
Yes.
Mercy, can we see your profit?
Okay.
Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera. Wow. Wow. Bring it. Let me see. Scroll, let's see. Wow. You are in blues. Wow, wonderful. So, Sadiq, let me see how far you've gone with your trees. Yeah. Okay, scroll it. Let's see. You're also in blue. Wow, wonderful. Wonderful. Deep blues. Okay, good. It's a nice experience. Wow. So, you guys have made some cash. What can you say about this physical meeting so far with Kofi Dollar?
Okay, so far it's been great. I always thought Forex was one of those platforms to just scam people, but I realized there's more to it than just like what I thought it was. And he takes his time to explain everything to us, and so far we've been in profit, so I think it's good.
Okay, so going forward, are you going to recommend this service to your colleagues?
Yes, I would recommend leading Forex to my friends, to everybody, because like it's one of the best ways to earn money, and he has patience and he really understands what he's doing. So we also get it, and we are also doing well. So I recommend it to anybody.
You happen to be one of the beginners of Leading Forex Academy. How did you see the training so far?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I think it has been a very great time working, learning with you as a student of Leading Forex Academy. Since my beginning, I've been trying to learn Forex for a very long time now. I've not seen any good part like when I came to leading Forex. I think I've got a very big experience over here. I think what we are learning here, I've seen that like I'm now in a good part because I've been winning my trades back to back, and then I see that the strategy has given to us, it has been profitable, very profitable. So I think now I can feel like I'm a trader now because I can see that I'm on the right path now.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
are you going to recommend this same tutorial from Kofi Dollar, our teacher, to other
Yes.
students that are? Would you advise them to join the class in the next section?
Yes, definitely. Because it has been a very great experience, like I said. And I personally, if someone is willing to learn, I will just tell the person to come to Leading Forest because I can't recommend something that is not working for me, for you. So if it has been working for me, and I know that yes, if you too you join it to work for you, then why not? Why not? Because I want, like I said, I have started Forex for a very long time and I've joined some groups, some signal groups, some mentorship programs that I haven't seen any, like any success in it. And over here, I can say, yes, I can prove to say that because it has been more than months now. I've been winning trades back to back. So I can say that it has been a very great experience. And then I would recommend this to anybody to come and then also learn.
Sɛ mpakyɛw meda ase sɛ wama me opportunity wei sɛ mefa nkasa. Leading Forest ankasa na kwakɔɛ sɛ nipa no a ɔrekyerɛ adeɛ no ɔwɔ abotire de ma ne students. Obi a wobɛba Leading Forest mu sɛ wopɛ sɛ wombɛsua trading mu, trust me, wobɛyɛ successful trader cause nipa no any mistake bi a woyɛ bi a onya abotire kyerɛ wo mu ma wote aseɛ de wo tena ase kyerɛ wo nneɛma mu ma wote nneɛma ase. So Leading Forest is the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now when you buy Leading Forest, now with trading the neck, one casa will try and I say, say what any other groups or Telegram, now Yama Koso before so journey Leading Forest.
Yeah. Time anana me joining like me share YouTube videos ni na se for ni nyama want to be me who say no at least honum na me share but me nyanti asenti se na me di ba Leading Forest mo no. So my experience ni say me share YouTube videos, share other videos ni na still man tin nyama se but me ba Leading Forest no. Leading Forest ama me atin nyama se from A to Z. So me da na se pass way to me atin nyama se sa pepepe.
Okay, until when you're mona or doubt to say we know as a scam, as a near real ni dinner or catch romo.
Okay. Say mpacho nipa no doubt say opɛ sɛ ebia teacher Kofi Dollar gye ne sika di wabra ɔnkyerɛ ne hwee no sɛ ɔka sɛ menka sɛ ebia waka obi agye wo sɛ wankyerɛ obi agye wo sɛ wankyerɛ no teacher Kofi Dollar deɛ ɔyɛ obi a ɔkyerɛ adeɛ yie paa $100 na ɔgye no mpo koraa no to me na mebɛsua no with the $100 no koraa no mehu ne sɛ isua ɛwɔ adeɛ na ɔkyerɛ wo no koraa no ɛwɔ sɛ nkɔ ɔngye more than that adeɛ a ɔkyerɛ no wɔ sɛ nkɔ ɔngye more than that but because of say opese enye simple mo obi anything no tis can also so me like this now about Leading Forest mono my at least menya good result on if in change so me recommend Leading Forest am obi a opese onsua trading bia.
Now you've heard them for yourself. Please, let's meet in Accra, East Legon, for the physical training or the online training at 4 p.m. every Saturday. And I know these testimonies have just started. You will also give yours after you take part in this. I'll see you. Please contact us on this number that you see on the screen and register for us to start the mentorship with you right away. Thank you. I'll see you.